Good morning, students. How are you? I think you all are safe in your houses. I am your moral science teacher going to teach you lesson 4, food habits. First of all, you should know what is moral science. Moral science is a science teaches us moral values. Moral values are set of principles guiding us to evaluate what is right or wrong. First of all, you should do the reading of lesson 4. All of you open your books, page number 20, lesson 4, food habits. Students, now I am giving you the explanation of this lesson. School was organizing a 3-day summer camp held for class 4. All the students actively participated in the camp. On the last day, school was decided to distribute the prizes for the competitions held during the camp. All the students did a remarkable job in the competition, but Sonu was selected as the best camper. Best camper means best student among all the students. All the students clapped and cheered him up. Vishal, who was the best friend of Sonu, confused and wanted to know why Sonu being a winner. Teacher replied, Sonu has some unique qualities. He has gentle behavior, good teamwork and good food habits, which made him different from others. In the summer camp, everyone took a good part and enjoyed it. Now teacher asked few more questions to the students. First question, how many of you ate all the food served in the plate? Second, how many of you did not spill the food? Third, how many of you waited for the students to collect their food? No one replied. Then teacher asked Sonu to answer the questions. Sonu replied, firstly, I waited for all the students to collect the food. I will take special care not to spill the food while eating. I never waste the food because many children in the world do not get enough food to eat. Sonu said, my mom never allows to choose his favorite food alone. I eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, milk, meat and egg together to make it a balanced diet. Students, do not eat too much of your favorite food. It will make you sick and weak. All the students took oath today not to waste food and eat a balanced diet. Teacher congratulated Sonu for his good food habit and children gave a huge round of applause. Applause means clapping. Friends, Read the summary of this chapter. Now students, open your moral science copy and note down the holy words and answer the following questions in it. First holy words said by John Hubbard. The path to obesity is so tasty. The path to obesity is so tasty. Second holy words said by Cervantes. Second holy words said by Cervantes. Hunger is the best sauce in the world. Hunger is the best sauce in the world. Now students, on new page you have to write down the answers. Question number 1. Why was Sonu selected as the best camper? Why was Sonu selected as the best camper? Leave one line and then write down the answer. Sonu was selected as the best camper due to his unique qualities. Sonu was selected as the best camper due to his unique qualities. Question number 2. Write 3 healthy food habits. Write 3 healthy food habits. First one, 3 healthy food habits are: do not waste food. First habit, do not waste food. Second, do not make noise while chewing food. Do not make noise while chewing food. Third, do not eat junk food. Third, do not eat junk food. Students, note down true or false in the copy. First one, Vishal was selected as the best camper. Who was selected? You know the answer? Sonu. That's why this statement is false. Second, we should not spill our food while eating. We should not spill our food while eating. Spill means throwing here and there. We should not do this thing. That's why this statement is true. Third one, we must treat food with utmost respect. That means food is very precious. That's why we have to give respect to our food. That's why this statement is true. Fourth one, we should not sit straight while eating. We should not sit straight while eating. Statement is false. Fifth, fruits and vegetables keep you healthy. Fruits and vegetables keep you healthy. True. Now students, note down, fill in the blanks. First one, it was the last day of the summer camp for the students of class 4. The fill-up is last. Second, never make noise while chewing food. Never make noise while chewing food. We should never dash food items, waste. We should never waste food items. Fourth, we need all kinds of food for a proper growth. Fifth, fruits and vegetables, cereals, milk and egg together make a balanced diet. Students, now you write down true, false and fill-ups in the copy neatly and note down the poem